Hi everyone, here I am going to show you a dish which is healthy to our body, that is fish curry. This is the curry made from my mother's hand. Really, it's very tasteful. Again, I am saying this dish is very tasty because my mother made this, and I am also very happy to share this secret here. Secret means mother's hand dish. Let me remember a basic point that for any tasty dish means we have to keep very quality product in the dish such that it will be very tasteful and it's very healthy too. Here we are going to see the fish curry, means you have to bring some quality fish. First take that fish and go to the butcher and clean that, evacuate that all skins, everything, and make it some very good quality pieces such that your dish will be very tasty. With these good pieces, your fish curry will also be very beautiful. Please note down the ingredients that you need to prepare this curry. First of all, you need crystal salt, then second is chili powder, then turmeric powder, then pepper powder, then cloves powder, then after it's cardamom powder, then cinnamon powder. Don't get irritated why this person is telling just only powders. Next we are going to see about the paste, that is coriander paste. As per my knowledge, really this coriander has created on the earth because for the tastes of the dishes. For the tasty purpose, you can apply it on any dishes, but don't apply to sweet items. I am telling to apply it on spicy items like curries and any fries like that. I know all you are waiting for one other paste, that is garlic ginger paste. This is also very tasteful. These all are the ingredients that you have to keep it so to prepare the fish curry. Now let's go, we will see how to prepare a fish curry. First of all, wash your all fish pieces that you brought it from the market. Initially some smell is present in that fish, so better don't wash empty fish, better keep some salt and wash it. Now we go and see our mother's frying section. Friends, I will not tell anything here, you only have to monitor this all video and have to learn. But the important points definitely I will tell. See here, pepper powder has applied. Don't get confused. One more point you have to remember, all this powder quantity you have to keep as per the dish requirement. Chili powder and turmeric powder, that both are applying. You just watch, monitor and learn. The rest other ingredients will also apply, you just observe it and learn. I told you to wash the fish with salt because to remove its smell. After the wash with salt also you have to apply some other salt because to make some salty and keep for some time. Here we are sending the fish pieces with applied salt because initially if we apply salt and keep for some time means all piece will get some salty.
The last point you have to apply here is water. Pour only some water. I am telling to apply some water but not more. This is because initially we have washed the fish with water, so damn sure more water had absorbed by the fish. When we boil the fish for some time means the water which is present inside the pieces will come automatically outside.
So, no need to pour more external water here.
Finally, you mix all the things up and down which we have applied till yet, and you can apply the ingredient also. You can taste it and you can apply like salt, etc., and you can apply water too if you need means. Then after you close it with a plate. That's all for 10 to 15 minutes.
Wow, we have reached our destination. That is, our fish curry is ready.